Prepare for the rainy weekend ahead. There are some important reminders of what happens when you do not heed the warnings.
NBC4's Isabel Cleary stopped by a car repair shop. She joins us now with just how much damage you can do in just a few minutes.
When it comes to flooding, there are some important reminders if you plan to drive. You never really know how deep a flooded road is, and what might seem like a shortcut could end up costing you thousands of dollars.
When I was 17, I was driving a minivan and tried to go through deep water, and exactly what I'm describing happened, and it totaled the engine. It ended up totaling the van.
Luke Walker, owner of Luke's Auto, experienced this firsthand. Now he's helping people repair the damage when they make the same mistake.
If the water is getting up to like your bumper, that's the point at which you want to turn around.
Despite the many warnings, each year we see people try and make it through flooded roads, and it usually doesn't end well.
The biggest risk is water getting sucked into the engine. So there's a intake on your car that the air for your engine comes into, and if the water gets up to that point, the water can get sucked into the engine and it can ruin the engine. So $5,000–6,000 plus repair.
You can do a lot of damage to your vehicle. So you can warp the brake rotors, you can short out the electrical system. A lot of different things can happen. And from an insurance perspective, if those drivers do try to go through that standing water, that may not be covered by your insurance.
AAA says drivers risking flooded roads happens more often than you would think.
We can see the ground through there. So, I mean, water will get in very quickly through a whole bunch of different spots around the car, from underneath the car.
As we prepare for the rain, make sure to pay attention to signs. And if you see standing water, turn the car around.
Don't risk it. It can turn into something expensive.
As little as 1 foot of standing water can cause a car to float. Up to 2 feet of rushing water can sweep a car away. AAA says if you can help it, never drive through standing water at any depth. Local for you, I'm Isabel Cleary, NBC4.